Hi, in this lesson you'll learn about and explore the p5play library. You've probably been in a physical library before, but have you ever heard of a programming library before? Just like physical libraries are collections of pre-written books that we can read and use, programming libraries are collections of pre-written functions and code we can use to create our own programs. For example, let's take a look at two different pieces of code that control the collision between two boxes drawn on a screen. This first code snippet is written with plain JavaScript. No libraries or collections of code are used to create this function. Notice that it takes 14 lines of code to detect the collision between two boxes. The second code snippet uses pre-written code from a JavaScript library to automatically detect the collision. Now we only need to write 6 lines of code. As you can see, the code on the right is written with less code and is easier to understand as compared to the code on the left. Using pre-written libraries will often make our jobs a lot easier as programmers. Now let's talk about the specific JavaScript library we're going to use in this course to help us build fun games. Introducing the JavaScript library p5play. The p5play JavaScript library lets you easily create interactive experiences, objects, animations, and games with pre-written functions and code. Let's take a look at a few examples of how p5play makes it easy to create visual interactions. p5play allows programmers to easily apply game physics like gravity and collisions in graphical worlds on the screen. The library also lets you easily adjust physical properties like friction, mass, and the bounciness of each object that you create. The p5play library also simplifies how we can place graphical objects on the screen by creating something called tiles. Can you see the p5 pattern in the code on the left? This is used to create the colorful design on the right. 2D games often use a series of images called sprite sheets to create animated characters. Each image in the series is a single frame within an animation. The p5play library includes code that makes it easy to combine sprite sheet images into an animation like this one. As you can see, using p5play code in our programs is going to be very helpful as we design and develop interactive and fun games. Now that you know a little bit about the capabilities of p5play, let's explore some more examples of projects created with this powerful JavaScript library.